Crumpton, Stellenbosch FC, youth goalkeeper coach. Firstly, congratulations to the teams that have made it. It's a wonderful achievement for many of these teams that go through a rigorous competition to try and get there. To answer your question, the draw itself has been fantastic. I think it's been a good draw for us, but again, being the defending champions, it's not easy to defend it. These teams have also come a long way in terms of making it for the tournament. So every game is going to be a tough one. It's not a full game, it's 25 minutes aside. So yeah, football is football and you still have to go and produce the goods, but we are hoping that we can carry on where we have left off for the last 2 years, been winning the tournament in the Western Cape for the last 2 years, and hopefully we can go and try and win it for the third time. Well, I think you have to be. I think you have to be confident to defend your title. It's difficult to win it and to win for 2 years in a row, like I said earlier. But most importantly, I think the confidence is there. I think we have a good youth structure that is got the players that have come in through the system and representing our under-18s at the moment. I think they will do well. Well, I think all teams itself are busy with their leagues at the moment, so it's going to be equally across the board. I mean, our preparations have started since January already, when our pre-season started. So this is one of the major events that we participate in the year. So it's a continual growth from where we start until where we are, and I think we will be ready. It's a massive tournament. It's one of the bigger tournaments around in the country, and I think Engen can be super proud of hosting these in various provinces. It elevates in different levels. It takes it to grassroots levels, and I think this is the pinnacle point. As one of the speakers has said prior, it's a stepping stone in the next phase of their careers. Being from under 18, the next phase will be the DDC, the next phase NFD, PSL, and so forth. But again, there have been many talented that have come out of this. I've been very blessed myself as a coach. This is where I started many years ago, and it's given me the elevation in terms of growing from my point of view and reaching the top to be at National Under 20 and coming home with an AFCON medal, which is, it's a dream. But you have to still work for it. You have to still lay the foundations, and these are the foundations that will get laid in terms of us growing and making sure that we can compete, not only from a coach's point of view, but also from a player's point of view. And I think it's massive. And again, a lot of hard work goes into it, and people themselves and boys and girls still have to keep and continue growing, because it's only a stepping stone in their football career, however long it lasts.